Hello everyone, welcome to channel Knowledge Hub. Please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with the GK questions here, that is of Knowledge Hub. That we will be going to discuss about the current affairs that comes under the Knowledge Hub here. That is the general knowledge question we will be going to discuss here. So the questions for the same, we had done many of the questions, the 13th question in the last classes, and after that, before that we had done your 10th question of course in the last classes as well. So we're gonna discuss your mother furthermore, and that the first question of that session here itself is, which is the longest river in the world? You have to answer it out on the count of 5 if you know, and otherwise I will be providing you the solution as well. तो सबसे लंबी रिवर कौन सी है दुनिया में? दैट यू हैव टू आंसर इट आउट 1 2 3 4 5. So the answer is Nile river. That is the longest river in the world. Now the next question is, what is the capital city of Australia? ऑस्ट्रेलिया का कैपिटल सिटी कौन सा है? And 1 2 3 4 5. The answer is Canberra. The next question that we have, if you know, you can just tell me on the comment section. Otherwise, you know that I will be providing you the solution as well. The next question is, who is the creator of the Harry Potter series? Harry Potter series का creator कौन है? You have to name them. So just 1 2 3 4 5. The answer is J.K. Rowling. Next question is, fourth question is, what is the largest mammal in the world? सबसे largest mammal की कैटेगरी में largest mammal कौन सा है दुनिया में? आपको ये बताना है. 1 2 3 4 5. So the answer is blue whale. The next question is, the fifth question is, which planet is known as the red planet? कौन सा ऐसा planet है जिसे हम red planet भी कहते हैं? 1 2 3 4 5. So the answer is Mars. Next question, sixth question is, who painted the famous artwork The Starry Night? किसने पेंट किया था फेमस आर्टवर्क जो है The Starry Night? So that you have to answer it out accordingly. So on a count of 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So that is Vincent van Gogh. The next question, seventh question is, what is the chemical symbol for gold? Chemical symbol क्या है gold का? Gold का in a chemical symbol you have to find out. 1 2 3 4 5. That will be the right answer is AU. AU is the chemical symbol for gold. The next question is, who is the author of To Kill a Mockingbird? To Kill a Mockingbird, you have to answer it out. There's an author name. I'll count of 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5. That is Harper Lee. That he is the author of your Harper Lee. Next question is, what is the national animal of China? China का national animal कौन सा है? That you have to answer it out. So national animal China का है is your 1 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is giant panda. The next question is your 10th question. The question is, which is the largest city of India? सबसे largest city India का कौन सा है? That you have to answer it out. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the answer is Delhi. Delhi is the largest city of India. Next is the another question is your, which is the largest state of India? अभी सिटी की बात की गई थी, आप स्टेट बताओ सबसे लार्जेस्ट स्टेट जो है वो इंडिया का कौन सा है? And that is we have here. Next we go for the next question is your 11th question here. The question is, which is the largest state of India? As I told you, on a count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest state of India. Next question is, how many states are there in India? India में कितने states हैं total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 28 states in India. Go for the next question here. So that is 13th question. Which is the longest river of India? You have to answer that. Longest river of India. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is Indus River. Next question is 14th question of the session. The question is, which is the widest river of India? That you have to answer it out. This is the longest river, that is Indus River. Which is the widest river of India? You have to tell. So on a count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is Brahmaputra Valley. Brahmaputra is the widest rivers of India. Next question and the last question of this particular session is, which is the longest dam in India? Longest dam कौन सा है इंडिया का? That you have to answer it out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is Hirakud Dam. And the smallest dam of India that I told you about is your Cherutoni Dam. Now we go for the next question in the next coming class. Stay tuned with us and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.